Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Samsung Premier 9 in Premium 7 Ultra Short Throw Projector. So friends, the Samsung has introduced the Premier 9 in Premium 7 Projector. Bring cinematic visual to your living space with cutting-edge laser technology. Both models offer 4K resolution and ultra short throw capabilities, enabling large screen projector up to 130 inch and the Premier 9 feature triple laser technology and HDR10 plus certified, providing enhanced color accuracy and brightness, and it offers a color gamut coverage of 154% in DCI-P3 standard, and the Premier 7 covers 100%. The Premier 9 delivers a maximum brightness of 3450 ISO lumens, and the Premier 7 provides up to 2500 ISO lumens. And friends, the projectors are designed to deliver a high-quality home cinema experience with 4K resolution, advanced audio capabilities, and enhanced connectivity features to optimize picture quality. And both models are equipped with AI-driven enhancement, including 4K AI upscaling and vision booster, and the technology ensure content is displayed in sharp 4K resolution and automatically adjust color and contrast based on ambient lighting condition, and audio performance is enhanced by a built-in speaker with Dolby Atmos technology. And the Premiere 9 include 40-watt 2.2.2 channel up-firing speaker, and the Premium 7 is equipped with 30-watt 2.2 channel speakers, offering impressive sound without the need for additional equipment. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.